With the theme "Walking in His Steps," the synod was well attended by Christian faithful. The diocesan bishop and president of the synod, Right Reverend Dr. Peter Rotimi Oludipe, in his speech advised Christians to live a life worthy of emulations and ensure they do the work of evangelism, which is the utmost in Christianity. Right Reverend Oludipe called on all citizens as well as the government to follow the teachings of Jesus Christ, as this will go a long way in curbing the insecurity situation being experienced in the country.
The goal is that if all of us as Christians, we walk like Jesus, we live like Jesus, we behave like Jesus, this country will be better.
The host Reverend and Dean Emeritus, Church of Nigeria, Reverend Ephraim Adebola Ademowo, congratulated members of the diocese for witnessing the occasion. Reverend Ademowo encouraged them to report back to their various churches on the need to render assistance in various capacities for the growth of Ijebu Diocese. He prayed for a spirit-filled and successful meeting.
The Diocese of Ijebu is growing by leaps and bounds with amazing rapidity. So we know that the sky is the limit and things are moving on well in this place.
Some prominent members of the diocese were awarded for their efforts towards the development of the diocese. One of the awardees said this will motivate her and others to work tirelessly for the growth of the church.
The award is to move forward the Ijebu Diocese and to make sure that the members in every church work according to what Jesus has laid down for us to do.
The ceremony, which was held at the Holy Trinity Anglican Church of Alende, Ijebu, has since been rounded off with thanksgiving.